What's your name?
My name is Anna. What's your name?
My name is Jackie. How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. How about you?
I'm 26 years old. Where are you from?
I'm from London. Where are you from?
I'm from London too. Do you live here?
Yes, I live nearby. Do you?
Yes, I live nearby as well. Who do you live with?
I live with my family. How about you?
I live with my family too. What do you do?
I'm a student.
What are you studying?
I'm studying English.
Why are you studying English?
I want to improve my skills.
How long have you studied English?
I have studied for 1 year.
Where do you study?
I study at a local school.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like it a lot.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher's name is Mr. Lee.
What does he teach?
He teaches English.
Is he a good teacher?
Yes, he's very good.
What do you do in class?
We read, write, and speak.
How often do you have class?
I have class every day.
What time do you go to class?
I go at 9 o'clock am.
Do you have homework?
Yes, I have some every day.
What kind of homework do you get?
I get reading and writing homework.
Do you enjoy doing homework?
Sometimes, but it's hard.
What do you do after class?
I go home and relax.
How do you relax?
I watch TV or listen to music.
What shows do you like?
I like comedy shows.
Do you watch TV every day?
Yes, I watch in the evening.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
What do you like about him?
He's very talented.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like to paint.
When do you paint?
I paint on weekends.
Do you paint at home?
Yes, I have a small studio.
What do you paint?
I paint landscapes.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What kind of books do you read?
I read novels and history books.
Who is your favorite author?
My favorite author is J.K. Rowling.
Do you read every day?
Yes, I read every night.
How long do you read?
I read for 1 hour.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have a few friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Lucy.
How did you meet Lucy?
We met at school.
What do you do together?
We go shopping and talk.
Do you talk to her often?
Yes, we talk every day.
Do you have a favorite food?
Yes, I like pizza.
What do you like on your pizza?
I like cheese and vegetables.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook sometimes.
What do you usually cook?
I usually cook pasta.
Is it easy to cook?
Yes, it's very simple.
Do you like going to restaurants?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Where do you usually go?
I go to a local cafe.
What do you order there?
I order coffee and cake.
Do you enjoy spending time there?
Yes, it's very relaxing.
Do you go there alone?
Sometimes, but often with friends.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work part-time.
Where do you work?
I work at a bookstore.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's interesting.
How many hours do you work?
I work 20 hours a week.
What do you do there?
I help customers find books.